Okay, MemCP news. We got exciting new features. We have changed the architecture from separate scan and scan order processing to a new MapReduce operator, which takes a on-stack ID list for aggregating items. With this change, we got 34% speed up. That's great. And this also paves the way for clustering, because on clustering you have to just send an ID list to the other cluster node, and then it can compute the aggregations locally. So very much improvement. Then we also implemented a new storage type for enumerations. Like if you have a Boolean field that is 99% false and 1% true, instead of storing it in 8 kilobyte per 60,000 values, we can store it in 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte for 1,000 values, that's great. So we don't need any memory cache L2 operations anymore. It all fits on the CPU for the whole list, and this really speeds up and compresses the RAM even more. We get compression rates of about 55 times the original data. So 55 gigabytes of MySQL database will fit into 1 gigabyte of RAM. That's billions of items. A third improvement we did is that we doubled the parsing speed. So we investigated a little bit into the pegred parser, removed some memory allocations, and we got it to the double parsing speed, which is interesting for large complex SQL queries as well as large insert statements. But also the small insert statements benefit, because we again get them under the 1 millisecond execution time boundary. That's the summary. And of course we also added a lot of MySQL compatibility features. So we support now in select, exist and scalar queries. We have insert, ignore on duplicate key and so on in our test cases. We have like regexp, some regexp functions. So your applications should be compatible to MySQL now. That's it for today.